If you've always associated handloom with just weaving, then this video is for you. The word most often repeated not only in our videos, in anything around handlooms, is the warp. Now this is a cotton warp, and now before the warp becomes a sari, there is a process that it needs to go, which is called joining of the warp. Now let's have a look at that. Now, the warp joining is a manual process which takes almost 10 to 12 hours in case of normal cotton, normal silk saris, and in some cases of heavy silk saris, it may take even up to 2 days. So, in a sari, if there are about 6,000 yarns, warp joining is a process where every yarn of the previous warp is individually connected to every yarn of the new warp using glue, and this has to be done only by hand. So what we use is a sap of a tree, and then it comes in its raw form like this. How much ever we need, we mix it with water, and then it becomes a glue-like substance which will help in binding the threads together.
A few moments later.
So while it looks so easy, it is definitely very, very complicated because a single miss is something that will really spoil the whole sari. So let's leave it to the experts. Now, if you've admired a beautiful sari from one of us like this, and if you notice the uniformity in the warp, that credit goes to people like her who then join the warp very carefully. Now, imagine if one thread is missed or a set of 5 threads are missed here and there, the sari is going to come out very odd, and the weaver is going to spend a lot of time in cleaning it up. Therefore, labor intensive jobs like injamas is very important, not only because they contribute the time, but they also contribute the skill. Now, they set the store for the next 30 saris that's going to come uniform and beautiful. So the next time you shop your favorite handloom sari from whichever part of our country, remember not just the name and the term and whether it's a Kanjivaram or a Bomkar or whatever, but remember the people and the processes behind it, because this is what makes every handloom sari super unique.